this is for you, but you can't look at it.
Okay.
I want you to put this in your pocket where you can get to it easy, okay? Tuck it away for later.
Okay.
Sometimes, like a magician would have you pick a card, and they do some sleight of hand or something like this. They control it. Look, I'm not a magician.
Okay.
This is going to be completely out of my control. I want you to take the cards, take them out of the box.
Okay.
Take them out.
Yeah. I'll hold the box.
Thank you.
Take the deck towards you so you can see the faces and just spread through. Make sure they look good and shuffled. Actually, why don't you shuffle them up? Squeeze everything together. Squeeze them together. All right. Turn it face down though, so nobody can see. You turn them all over.
Face down, my love.
That's cool. Yeah, I don't even want you to know the order of the cards. So square everything up. That's all right.
Completely.
That's all right.
Okay, I see what's up.
Turn it face down, face down.
All right.
Cool. And then square everything up. Nice and neat pile when you're done. You're thorough. I like it.
Very good. Very good.
All right. Square it up nice.
All right.
Cool. That's fine. Hold it just like I am. Take your other hand, hold it up like this.
Okay.
I want you to reach down and pick up a stack of cards. Pick up a chunk, as many or as little as you want. Just lift them up. And then hold it to your heart. I'm going to turn my head. I want you to just look at that card and remember it. Don't say anything out loud. Show your friend. Make sure you both know it. Okay. Put everything back together.
Okay.
And then just put it back in the box here.
All right, cool.
Is that fair?
That seems very fair.
Look, you looked at the cards.
Yes.
You shuffled them like crazy.
Yeah.
And then you just thought of one card.
Yeah.
In your mind, I want you to hear this card like it's echoing in your head.
Okay.
It sounds in your mind something like 7 of diamonds.
Yeah. That's the card, bro. What the I'm sorry, this is PG. I don't get what's happening right now. I don't
You're not a
understand.
magician.
What are you doing?
I do mind tricks.
Wait.
Well, all right, I buy it.
Okay, for sure, for sure. Yeah, that was accurate. So accurate. I'm freaked out. I'm a little freaked out. That's okay. That was on point, yo.
Do you think it's possible to know what someone's going to do before they ever do it?
Nah, not for me.
Well,
Do you remember before I ever gave you the cards, before you ever shuffled the cards,
your pocket.
I gave you a note, you put it in your pocket?
Yeah.
Okay, that tripped me out.
Keep doing what you're doing, man. Keep doing what you're doing.